Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and removing the battery pack and any cables. This prevents shorting and gives clear access. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 4 tri-wing screws in the back, then pop the rear shell gently along the seam to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to keep screws organized in order so reassembly is easy. These steps expose the internal frame and prepare you for the mid-level disassembly that follows. Next, you'll lift the rear shell and locate the ribbon cable connecting front and rear PCBs. Use a spudger to unlock the ZIF connector and slide the cable out straight to avoid tearing. Once unlocked, remove the 2 main T6 screws holding the PCB, then lift the board slightly to access the analog modules and paddles. Make sure to note each connector position. Careful, deliberate movements prevent damage and will make reassembly straightforward. For the final steps, you'll unclip analog stick housings and slide paddles out of their mounts, noting spring orientation and pad placement. Use gentle prying to avoid bending plastic. Reassemble in reverse. Reconnect ribbons, replace PCBs, tighten screws to snug torque, then seat the backplate and reinstall tri-wing screws. Test all sticks and buttons before fully closing. If something resists, stop and reevaluate. Often a missed screw or misaligned clip is the issue, not the part itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.